10 health benefits of onion juice. Number 1. Protection against allergens. Onions contain a powerful antihistamine known as quercetin, which can help stave off a large number of allergic reactions, as well as chronic inflammatory conditions such as asthma. The quercetin contained in onions is absorbed through the intestines, and resides a long time in the bloodstream, providing die-hard protection from these bothersome ailments. Number 2. Improved digestion. Onions provide an excellent supply of inulin, a dietary fiber that acts as a source of food for the good bacteria in the intestines. Inulin functions as a natural regulator, keeping the appropriate amount of good bacteria at optimal levels, in order to maintain a healthy digestive system. Number 3. Promotes hair growth. One of the many beneficial ingredients found in onions is sulfur, which is well known for its ability to stimulate hair growth. One study revealed that applying onion juice to the scalp twice a week for roughly 2 months can stimulate the follicles to promote hair growth. Onion juice increases the circulation of blood to the scalp, and the sulfur found in the juice acts as an antibacterial and antifungal agent, which keeps the follicles clear and healthy enough to grow hair. Number 4. Remedy for the common cold and other respiratory issues. Onion juice has been used for several centuries as a remedy for bronchitis and other respiratory ailments due to its anti-inflammatory properties. The oil that is found in onion juice is a very potent expectorant, which enables it to loosen and dislodge stubborn mucus, as well as prevent new mucus from forming. Raw onions, in particular, are commonly used to help combat the common cold. Number 5. Promotes healthy bones. Onions contain certain properties that help slow the process of bone loss. This is particularly useful for aging women who commonly suffer from osteoporosis. Number 6. Promotes healthy and vibrant skin. Onion juice promotes optimal blood circulation within our skin's tissue, which prevents toxins and pollutants from stagnating and forming infections. In addition, raw onions have often been used as a poultice to treat boils, wounds, and various skin inflammations. Number 7. Cholesterol-lowering capability. Onions have long been known for their ability to lower cholesterol buildup due to the chromium, vitamin B and sulfur compounds that are found in rich supply in this essential vegetable. These key ingredients help to lower the body's homocysteine levels, which are often a threat to cardiovascular health. Number 8. Lowers glucose levels. Onion juice contains trace amounts of chromium, which helps to improve the body's glucose tolerance level. The allyl propyl disulfide found in onion juice is also a key contributor to the body's ability to maintain proper blood sugar levels, as it helps to prevent unhealthy spikes and drops in blood glucose. Number 9. Anti-cancer agent. Onions are replete with a variety of sulfides, all of which offer anti-carcinogenic properties. Consuming onion juice on a regular basis will help reduce the risk of a variety of cancers. Number 10. Promotes oral health. Onions are well known for their antibacterial properties, which are particularly effective in fighting tooth decay and other oral infections. One recent study revealed that chewing a raw onion for roughly 3 minutes would effectively kill all of the germs and bacteria in the mouth. Onions have been traditionally used as a remedy for toothaches as well.